If you want to take a screenshot on a Samsung Galaxy A37, we have many different ways that allow you to do so. The main way to take a screenshot is by using the power button and volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at once, you will easily capture a screenshot like that. Besides that, we have the palm swipe gesture. So with the side of your hand, you can swipe from left to the right side or from right side to the left side. And then it looks like this. Of course, the gesture can be deactivated in settings, so if you cannot swipe to capture a screenshot, if this gesture doesn't work for you, you want to open settings. Then over here, go to advanced features. Next, we're gonna go to motions and gestures, and then here we have palm swipe to capture, so you want to make sure that this option is enabled. Besides that, we can add the screenshot button to the control center or quick settings. In my case, I have it already added. But in your case, you can tap on this pen in the upper right corner. And then we're going to use add a control at the bottom of the screen. And then you can try to find take screenshot either here at the top of this list, or you can search for the capture section. And you should be able to press and hold your finger on that take screenshot button to then position it in any place you want to in the quick settings panel. Or you can just simply tap on it in order to add it. And once you add the button, then of course you should be able to use it to hide the quick settings panel and take a screenshot. Last but not least, we can also open settings on our phone. Let me actually go back to settings. There we go. So here we should be able to find accessibility if you scroll down. Then choose interaction and dexterity. And then we can find assistant menu. So we're going to tap on the switcher to turn it on, tap on the assistant menu button, and then one of these options should be screenshots. So we can tap on that button to hide the menu and take a screenshot. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.